So this is how we fix our connectors nowadays from this old style to this new style here. All we do is we take this old connector, we cut each individual wire, just how it's seen like this, and we match it up perfectly to the way it came out, and we use these guys right here to connect them back together. Heat shrink, electrical tape after that, not a problem. Just make sure that your old solenoid with the wires down here are matching up to your new one. So as you can see on this one, it's green, blue. Forget about the brown if it's in the center, and then it's white, black. Make sure your new one is exactly the same. Just cut and splice wires. Some of these do come with green, blue, white, brown, black, and then in that case you would not use the white. But whichever wire is in the center of the 5, do not use it. The rest, just cut and splice, done.
Wait, hold it open, I want to show you. Right,
so as you can see in this one, they're exactly the same, green, blue, white, black.
Yeah, so
brown is
show
not
it,
used.
we have to show it like that.
Yeah. So there you go. Green, blue, white, black, brown is not used.
Yeah.